square root of x plus square root of x squared is 2. If we check small examples, one obvious answer is x equal to, try to find it first by yourself, pause the video, x equal to 1. It is one answer, and if you check, we will see it's our first answer. But how can we make sure that it is our only answer? And if you check, we will see there are some other answers. Okay, so in first step, we consider, let me rewrite the equation. We have root x plus root x squared equal to 2. We take root x to right hand side. We want to raise to the power of 2. So it means that we subtract square root of x from both sides. So square root of x squared equal to 2 minus root x. Now, in next step, we raise both sides to the power of 2. So on left hand side, we can say we have x squared, and on right hand side, we can say, let me write x squared, on right hand side 2 minus root x squared. So if you don't know, the formula is what? It will be 2 minus root x times 2 minus root x. So let's simplify. So x squared equal to 2 times 2, 4, minus 2 root x minus 2 root x minus 4 root x, and minus root x times minus root x will be plus x. Okay. Now, we want to get rid of this square root that is left. So we can take all things to left hand side except this term. So, or we can say we subtract, we say negative 4 minus x. We subtract x plus 4 from both sides. So it will be x squared minus x minus 4 equal to negative 4 root x. Now in this step, we raise both sides to the power of 2 to get rid of square roots. So x squared minus x minus 4 squared equal to negative 4 root x squared. So if you write it, if you know the formula here, you can use it. But I want to solve it with basic methods. So I say x squared minus x minus 4 times x squared minus x minus 4. And right hand side is easy. It will be 16x. So let's focus on left hand side. We can say for left hand side, x squared times x squared x to the 4. And let me tell you, we use, for example, this formula a to the m times a to the n equal to a to the m plus n. So x squared times x squared x to the 4, x squared times negative x cubed, x squared times negative 4x squared, then minus x times x squared minus x cubed, minus x times minus x is plus x squared, minus x times negative 4 plus 4x, minus 4 times x squared will be minus 4x squared, minus 4 times minus x will be plus 4x, minus 4 times minus 4 plus 16, equal to 16x squared. Let me write it here, 16x for this. Now we should simplify. So if we want to simplify, we have x to the 4, 1x to the 4. And it will be this. For x cubed, we have negative x cubed, negative 2x cubed. And then for x squared, negative 4 plus x squared, negative 4, negative 8x squared. And then plus x squared, negative 7x squared. And let's focus on x. 4x plus 4x, 8x. If we take 16x to left hand side, negative 16x, it will be negative 8x. And the last part here is 16. Plus 16 equal to 0. So let me write. Now we try to factorize this. First, we know that x1 is one answer. from first part. If you also check this, x1, it will be 1 minus 2 minus 7 minus 8 plus 16. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, negative 1 minus 7 minus 8 minus 8 minus 16 plus 16, 0. Okay, so x1 is one root, so we can factorize, and one factor is x minus 1. It will be x cubed for x to the 4 negative x cubed minus x squared. Then this part and this part is okay. X squared, it will be plus x squared. I need negative 7, so I place negative 8x. X squared will be okay, plus 8x. I place minus 16, so it will be minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. So product of two terms equal to 0. Now let's rewrite it in next page. X minus 1 times x cubed, x minus 1 times x cubed minus x squared minus 8x minus 16. So minus x squared minus 8x minus 16 equal to 0. Its degree 3 is still greater than 2, so we try to find at least one answer here. If we check, for example, x1, we will see 1 minus 1 minus 8 minus 16. It's not good. It's not 0. If we check 2, for example, for 2, it will be 8 minus 4 minus 16 minus 16 is not 0. Also, you should check negative 1, negative 2. For example, if you check negative 1, with negative 1 plus 8 minus 16. Okay, it's not 0. And if you check a small examples, pause the video and try to find at least one root. If you check all of them, you will see x4 works because 4 cubed minus 4 squared minus 8 times 4 minus 16 equal to 4 cubed 64 minus 4 squared 16, 32 minus 16. And it will be 0. So because x to the 4, x equal to 4 is one answer here, let me erase, we can factorize and it's x minus 4. So it will be x minus 1 times x minus 4. Then x cubed we have, so is x squared. X cubed minus 4x squared, so we place plus 3x. Then we have minus x squared. And then minus 12x. I place plus 4. Then I've created this and this equal to 0. So the first one is 0. X equal to 1, case 1. And we've checked it is one answer because it satisfies main equation here, root x plus root x squared is 2. The next one, second case. If it is 0, then x equal to 4. Then root x plus root x squared equal to root 4 plus root 16 equal to 2 plus 4 is 6 is bad. So it's not our answer. And third case. In third case, if this one is 0. So third case, let's write x squared plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. For solving this, if we know quadratic equation, it will be so much easier to solve. Let me write for you quadratic equation is what? If we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here x equal to negative 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared minus 4 times a times c, 4, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. Now, let's erase this part. So, our other answers equal to negative 3 plus minus 9 minus 16 over 2. So, negative 3 plus minus negative 7 over 2. So, we can conclude x equal to negative 3 over 2 plus minus I is root 1. So it will be root 7, or we can write as I root 7 over 2. Okay, so you can check and replace. Try to do this as homework and comment your answers below this video. That x equal to negative 3 over 2 plus minus I root 7 over 2 satisfy the main equation, which is root x plus root x squared equal to 2. Okay, so if you want to learn more ideas in combinatorics, calculus, geometry, number theory, combinatorics, and all other topics that are useful in math exams, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in description and comments. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.